So, yeah, this is the Barracuda 7200.11 500GB hard drive from Seagate. Nothing special, 32 megabytes of cache, SATA 2, and it's going to be joining my 320GB Barracuda in the hard drive tray. So, I'm going to mount this right now. As you can see, we've got 3 holes, and we only use 2. And on this one, so yes, I will install it right here. So I mounted it off camera because it was a real hassle doing it on camera. Sadly, the labels are facing the opposite direction. There's the 500GB, 320GB, and the tray. They're all mounted with anti-vibration. It's really nice. So I'm going to be sliding it in, popping in some SATA cables. And yeah, that's the hard drive. So thanks for watching. Stay and don't miss any other episodes. So yeah, see ya.